The verses first establish the authority and the deep wisdom of the message itself. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built.
Our journey starts with an oath, a really powerful declaration that sets the tone for everything to come. The verse simply says, by the wise Quran. It's telling us this isn't just any book. It is, by its very nature, wise, filled with purpose and absolute clarity. And right after that oath, the message becomes personal. The one receiving this revelation is addressed directly, confirming his role. Indeed, you are among the messengers. This confirmation establishes a clear, direct line of divine communication, a theme we'll see is so important.
On a straight path. So when you put those three short, powerful statements together, you get the bedrock of the entire message. A divine revelation, which is the wise Quran, delivered by a chosen messenger, all to guide humanity along a clear, direct, and straight path.
Okay, so with that foundation in place, the Quran shifts gears a little and gives us a story, a parable, about a town that was visited by messengers. It's a timeless example of what happens when truth meets rejection, a fundamental test of faith. The story starts by setting this scene. Imagine this, a town, a community just like any other, and one day they're presented with a divine call through messengers sent to them. You know, this isn't just a history lesson. It's meant to be a mirror, reflecting how any community at any time might react when faced with the truth.
Now, the messenger's approach is simple and direct. They state their purpose with total conviction. Indeed, we are messengers to you. There's no ambiguity, no hidden agenda, just a plain statement of fact.
And how do the townspeople react? Well, with immediate skepticism. Their big argument is, you are only humans like us. They're using the messenger's own humanity as a reason to disbelieve. It's such a common objection, isn't it? How can someone ordinary carry a message that's so extraordinary?
But in the middle of all this rejection, a single voice of faith speaks up. A man from that very town stands and affirms his belief, pleading with his people to just listen.
And for his sincere faith, what's his reward? It's immediate. It's absolute. He is told, enter paradise. It's such a powerful end to his part of the story, showing us that true, unwavering belief is met with the ultimate peace.
So we've seen this human drama play out. Now let's zoom out, way out. The verses guide our attention away from us and towards the grand narrative of the cosmos, to the signs that are embedded in the world all around us, each one a silent testament to the Creator.
Just think about the ground beneath our feet. One moment it can be barren, dry, seemingly lifeless, and yet from that same dead earth, by divine will, life just springs forth, giving us the food we eat. It's a miracle of renewal we see every single day. And then, just look up. The way the day seamlessly gives way to night, this perfect cycle of light and darkness, of work and rest, it all unfolds in this perfect, silent order, day in and day out. Even the sun, it's not just wandering aimlessly up there. It is running on a precise, fixed course. And this is the decree of a power described as both almighty and all-knowing.
So after presenting these incredible signs in the earth, in the sky, in the stars, the verses turn and ask us a very simple, very direct question. Then will they not give thanks? It's a gentle but powerful invitation to just stop for a moment and acknowledge the source of all these blessings.
All right, so the message has been delivered and the signs are all around us. So what comes next? Well, now the focus shifts to the consequences of our choices. Two very distinct paths emerge, and with them, two very different destinies.
A fundamental question is posed here. Is the one who believes the same as the one who disobeys and ignores the signs? The answer is emphatic. They are not equal. In the divine balance of things, they can never be the same. And you can really see the stark contrast between these two outcomes. For the believer, the one who listens to the guidance, the promise is of forgiveness and a noble reward. But for the heedless, it's as if their own rejection becomes a veil, a blindfold. As the verse says, we have covered them so they do not see, and it stops them from even perceiving the truth right in front of them. And for those believers, the reward is described with such beautiful, serene imagery. They're given good tidings of Jannah, of paradise, gardens of ultimate tranquility, with rivers flowing beneath them. Just a picture of absolute peace. This brings us to the culmination of the message.
We've seen the foundation, we've heard the parable, we've witnessed the signs, and we understand the consequences. Now the verses distill our purpose down to its purest and most essential form. And what's so amazing is how it's presented. The messenger is told to say, I am only a man like you. He connects with us on that shared level of humanity. But the message he carries, that is purely divine. The unwavering truth that your God is one God. And this is the crucial takeaway, the call to action. For anyone who truly, sincerely hopes to one day meet their Lord, the path forward is laid out so clearly. Do righteous work and do not associate anyone or anything in the worship of your Lord. It's a path of both action and pure, sincere intention. And we end on this one final, undeniable reality, a truth that frames our entire existence and puts everything into perspective. It's a statement of absolute certainty that invites us to reflect deeply. Because no matter what path we choose in this life, the destination is one. For as the verse declares, and to him is the final return. So the real question it leaves us with is, what will we bring with us on that day?